Balance strengthens its heritage-meets-modernity narrative with the UK-made Allerdale, a model rooted in craftsmanship and comfort. First seen in the Tortoise Shell edition and tied to a Drake's London collaboration, the silhouette earns recognition for its leisure-inspired refinement. Now, the brand introduces the roasted cashew colorway for fall 2025, featuring a premium tumbled leather upper with a gum FuelCell cupsole for contemporary cushioning. Despite being dubbed a grandpa shoe, the design proudly owns the label, highlighting New Balance's talent for merging timeless style with updated performance. At $250, the sneaker underscores premium quality that may not appeal to every budget, but it demonstrates the brand's commitment to enduring design and global reach. Scheduled to release later this year on NewBalance.com, the Allerdale continues to bridge history, innovation, and fashion relevance.